my name is Liesel. Today I will show you how to load a digital product to your Woo and WordPress webshop. Now, to make this as easy as possible, there's a few things that you need to get ready. To start, we will log into our admin side of the website. We will go down to the left here to WooCommerce. Underneath, you will find products. Click on that. And then next to products here, click add new product. I've added all the information to a text note on my computer. And the first thing we will need is the product name. So copy that. Let's paste the product name in. And then as soon as I tap out of the section, the permalink or the URL will appear. Okay, so just go onto it and just check that you don't have any stop words in there. So what is a stop word? A stop word is words that we use every day, like the, in, little things that search engines don't pick up. So you don't need to have it in there. So if my title would have been The Ancient African Worldview Poster, the would have appeared here in the front. And then we would just simply take it out and click on OK. Let's quickly look at the front of this website so that you can see what we're doing in the back and how it will actually show up in the front. So if we look at a different product that we've already loaded, another poster, you can see this is what it looks like. We've got the pictures on the one side, a little bit of information here, some more images, and then when you go down, a longer description and some related products. Okay, so we've just added the title of the poster, which is this bit where it says Spirit in Action. Of course, it's a different name because we're loading a different poster. Okay, so let's go to the back. The next thing that's coming up is the product description. And this is the space for the longer description. So it would be all of this that's here at the bottom. So for the poster, we want to add some details so that the prospective buyer knows what they're buying, what sizes are included, the dimensions, shipping. Of course, there is no shipping. It's a downloadable product, but it's very important to be clear on these things. The copyright, if you want, and other information. Okay, so let's go back to our text. Let's copy all of that. We will go here to product description and paste all of that information in there. Okay, next up, we've got the product data. So let's see, it's a simple product. So it means it doesn't have any variations and color options and things like that. Next on, a virtual product. So it is virtual, it is not shipped. So that's important to click that on. And downloadable. Okay, so as soon as the client have purchased this product, they will get a link where they can download the files and then print it themselves. Okay, so click onto that. And as soon as we click onto that, you will see that some more information or options is coming up here. So first, let's go to the left, general. Our price, and our price was 200 Rand. So let's put that in. There is no sale at the moment. If you wanted to schedule a sale or put a sale price in, you can do so there. So this is the bit where you will put your downloadable files in. I suggest that you've got your files ready in PDF form. So let's go and do that. So we will go add file, choose file, upload, select files. Okay, so I've got everything ready here. It is this PDF, the A4 file. We open that and upload. And whilst we're there, let's just go and do the A3 option as well. Open. Okay, so let's start with the A4. So we click that on and we go insert file. Okay. And let's just give it a name as well. So A4 African Worldview. And then let's add another file. And this will be the A3 version, And let's choose the file. We've just uploaded it. And you will also see this is very important that you always name your files in order correctly, clear, so that when you start doing things like this, it's easy to use. So let's click that on. Okay, so now the downloadable files are ready. A download limit. If you want to add a limit, you're welcome, or you don't have to. You can choose. We're doing 3 downloads. So let's go to inventory. Here we need to put your stock keeping unit. And in this case, the stock keeping unit number is this one. Let's add that. Don't have to do anything else there. Linked products, if you wanted to do an upsell or a cross-sell, you can do that. This poster is also part of a set, so let's add this set as an upsell. Now we're going to add the short description, which is this bit. So when we go down here from the product data down to product short description, we can just copy and paste our information in there. So basically the left side of your product is done. So let's go here to the right. So the only thing that's missing is the product image. So your featured image. So let's go and get that. Set product image. I must still upload it. Select file. If you would like to see how we create these mockup images, please check out my video of last week. I will leave the link in the description box below. So set product image. There we go. If we go down, add product gallery images, and those would be these ones here on the bottom. So let's click there and upload them. And add them to the gallery. I am not adding this featured image to the gallery again, because otherwise it will show up too many times. Now we can go down to product categories. The category for the posters has already been set up. If this is a complete new product and you need a new category here, you can just click on here and add a category and it will show up here. Click it on and then your product tabs. Now, if somebody searches on your website and they might use certain keywords to look for a pink item or something like that, then you can put those product tabs or tags right in here. In this case, we will just put Ubuntu, because on this website, this is most probably what the people would be searching for, and go add. And now we've got all the information in. When you've added all of this, you can click onto publish. Now that we've clicked onto publish, we can go and preview the changes. So let's click on that and let's have a look at our product. So here we've got the title, the price, the short description. Our category is showing. Our tag is showing. Our featured image. Also the 2 other images that we've uploaded. Our long description. And here you can see the set of 12 that we've added to the upsell. And then below that, we've got other related products. Now your digital product is ready for sale. Happy selling! I hope you found this helpful today. I hope you learned something new. If you've got any questions, please leave me a comment. And thank you so much for staying until the end. See you next time. Bye-bye.